In this video, I'll show you how to buy a Hostinger domain. The first step is to go to Hostinger's domain search tool and type in the name you want to register. Hostinger lets you check whether your preferred domain is available and also shows alternative extensions if the exact one you want is already taken. So if your first choice is unavailable, you can often choose a different extension like .com, .net, .online, or another option that fits your brand. Once you find an available domain you like, click to add it to your cart. Hostinger's checkout flow lets you review the registration period before you continue, and for many extensions, you can choose how many years you want to register the domain for. The minimum registration period is usually 1 year, while some extensions may allow longer terms. Hostinger also shows the renewal price in the cart, which is useful because the first registration price and the future renewal price may be different. After that, continue to checkout and either create a Hostinger account or log in if you already have one. During checkout, you'll be asked to provide the basic contact details required for domain registration and choose a payment method. Hostinger says there are no special requirements beyond your contact information and valid payment details. Before you complete the purchase, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double-check the spelling of the domain name, the extension, and the registration period. This matters because once a domain is registered, you cannot simply rename it later. If you make a mistake, you would usually need to register a different domain instead. Then place the order and complete the payment. After the purchase is successful, Hostinger says the domain is typically activated right away, so you can start using it almost immediately. From there, you can manage it inside your Hostinger account, connect it to a website, use it with email, or point it to another hosting provider if needed. There is also one useful thing to know before you buy. If you purchase an eligible Hostinger hosting plan for 12 months or longer, Hostinger may include a free domain for the first year instead of making you pay separately for the registration. So depending on your goal, it may be worth checking whether buying hosting first gives you better value. So the full process is simple. Search for your domain name, choose an available extension, add it to the cart, select the registration period, create or log in to your account, enter your contact details, complete the payment, and then manage the domain from your Hostinger dashboard. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.